How many of you have looked on your computer to see who lives around you, what's going on with the people that live around you? Of course, we've all done that at some point. And here in Florida, FDLE keeps a registry of sex offenders. And I can't say that too many times because I'm afraid the video will get banned, but you can go online and find out where these folks are living nearby you, okay? The issue is that I've had clients that have served their prison time on a murder case, right? They have taken the life of somebody and they have served their prison time, and you can see if that person is your neighbor, right? Wrong. There is no list for somebody who has been convicted of murder. There's no such thing. It's only sex offenses that you can find that out. However, guess what? Florida in January of 2026, coming up here, depending on when you're watching this, we're now going to have a new registry, and that new registry deals with animal cruelty. And I think this animal cruelty registry isn't such a bad thing. The reason they're doing this, folks, is because there are some very mean people out there. My wife is a card-carrying PETA member, and she obviously goes ballistic when she hears some of the stories about folks out there who I am not allowed to represent because then I will have no place to sleep. So there are no animal cruelty defense work, the situations at my little boutique law firm. However, what was happening out there is people were going to the animal shelters and then doing cruel things to the animals that they have adopted, which is just evil on top of evil. It's inconceivable that this is happening, but it has happened. And this registry is designed for all those shelters out there and all those people that want to give a cat or dog to somebody. They can then look them up and see if they have any prior record. And guess what? This registry is so strict that even if you are not convicted of animal cruelty, even if you get what we call a withhold of adjudication, you are still ending up on this registry. It is a very, very strict registry. So I think it will avoid some of these cruel situations that we've seen go down in the past. They are just pure evil. So the registry goes into effect January 2026, and you can then see which of your neighbors were involved in an animal cruelty situation. And that's my update. That's happening soon statewide here in Florida.